you all doing? You are welcome back to another beautiful video. So I'm currently 37 weeks and 5 days today, and I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my hospital bag, or what I'm going to pack in my hospital bag. Yeah, this is baby blankets. So I didn't buy this new. This is what I used for Olivia, and I'm using it again, and it's still really new. Yeah. So I'm going to pack that in like this wrapper. These ones are for me. This one, I was asked to bring 4, but I think this 3 is enough. I'm just going to wash another one and put it so that they will not complain. So we're going to put that in. So these are wrapper for baby, these tiny wrappers. I have blankets, so I won't be needing this, but I just brought it in case. So let's put that in. The next thing is this baby towel. I'm just going to put that inside. So I think if you're at least 36 weeks, you should pack your bag. Mama, no, don't let it. You should get your bags ready, your baby bag, so that you wouldn't have to be struggling. No, leave it. I'm really sorry. So this is baby wash towel. So this could be used for just to clean this vomit from babies. So that is going in next. So after that, I'm going to be showing you some clothes I brought for the baby. So this is the first one, and we are going to pack that in. This is the second one. This is the second one. Really cute. I love it so much. And it also came with this hand glove. So really handy, really nice. I did not bring much clothes, but I think I know what I need in the hospital bag because I've given birth before. Mama, no, don't put it now. I'm really sorry. So this is the next one, and this one doesn't have this hand glove, but it's okay. It's okay, Mama, don't put it. Oh, so this is the third clothes I'm putting. I don't think you need much clothes depending on how long you're going to stay there. This is the next one, and it doesn't have the hand cover. So this is the fourth one. I brought a lot of clothes because with this Olivia's own, I gave birth through CS. So I stayed there for a long time, which is about 3 days. Yes. So I needed so much clothes, and I didn't prepare for that. So my mother had to go back to the house and get some more clothes for me. But this one, I'm preparing for anything. So yes, that's why I'm packing so much clothes. So this is the next one. I really love this one. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cute. I love the way this button so it also came with this hand cover, which is really handy, so that the baby will not scratch his or herself, which is the fifth clothes. And this brings us to the last clothes, which is this cute. I love it so much. Really cute. See, for my little angel. So this is the last one, and which makes it 6 clothes that I brought. So I don't know why I packed out these stockings. I don't know why, but all these clothes has stockings. It came with stockings or foot cover. So this is not really necessary. You can pack your stockings if your baby clothes doesn't have this, then you can pack much stockings because you have to remove it at intervals. So the next one is pampers or diapers. So this is Good Fit diapers. I don't know if you know it, but I made a video on my hospital list, or what you need for a baby as a new mom. So if you would like to see that, then you can go check it out in my YouTube channel. So this is Good Fit. I bought it really affordable. So why am I packing so much pampers? When I gave birth to Olivia, she pooped 12 times in a day. So, and we had to buy another diaper because I went with more fits. But this one I packed enough. Mama, wait, oh. I packed enough in case this one wants to poop everything out at once. I have it. I'm ready. So we're going to put that in, and after that, this is my sponge, little sponge for baby. Yes, really nice, really cute. So that would go in. I don't know if I'm really sorry if my newborn baby really needs to bathe with soap, but this is the soap I use for my babies. I used it for Olivia. It was really nice. Mama, no, don't let it. Oh, Yeah, no, it's not your own. So this one goes in, and the next one is this powder. Well, if you're from Nigeria, or I think Nigeria, yes. So this powder is for people that will come to visit me, maybe at the hospital or in my house. So I'm just going to pack it in. I don't think it's really necessary, but I'll pack it in anyways. This is for bathing my baby. I think this is the best. It's not harsh. Pure It. I used it for Olivia and I'm using it again. Pure It. So this powder is just in case the baby, I don't know if it's a she or a he, but if the baby needs powder at the hospital, it will be ready. I just want to be prepared. And this is baby smooth too, for newborn babies. I don't know if you can see this. It's from Exotic baby set. So this is tiny plates. Why you're seeing so much pink, this plate is for the baby in case the breast milk doesn't come immediately, then they can use this to give the baby water. And this also. So I'm going with this and this. Some hospitals do not accept this. They say this one is better, so I'm just going to pack it. I don't know which one my hospital accepts. I'm going with the two so they can choose the one they want. And the next one is this one, just in case they say they want this to give the baby water, then it will be in here for them. I'll be doing exclusive breastfeeding, so I do not need much of that. So this is for me, but I don't think it will be necessary. I'm just going to pack it. So if you want to see what is in my hospital bag, these are the things. If you want to see what the hospital asked me to bring, I already made a video about that. So, and the video I made is typically what most hospitals will ask you for. So the next one is this soft care baby wipes. My bag is full. It is filled up. Soft care baby wipes, really nice. I used it for Olivia. So the next one is beep. I am going with a lot of beep because Olivia was a baby that often brings out these baby things a lot. I don't know how this one is going to be, so I just got ready. Yeah. And my baby oil. Yes. Cousin. I don't know how to pronounce it, so do not judge me. Yes. But I'm going to tie this one because I bought it and I noticed that it's leaking. I don't know if it's leaking, but I just noticed that some oil came out. So for the safety of the things in my hospital bag, I'm going to have to pack this. I did not bring out baby cap. I don't have much baby cap. Hey God. So this one is from Olivia's own. I'm just going to thank you so much for watching this video till now. God bless you. I hope you were able to find something, or you were able to know what to pack for your child depending on your hospital, so on the hospital you're going. So thank you so much for watching till now. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to your friends, your pregnant friends or their husbands. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. I'm going to show you my bag, what it looks like right now. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. So guys, another thing you might need for your baby, which I have not packed here yet, is one clothes, comfortable clothes that you need to wear when you're coming back. 2 bedroom slippers and the snacks, because in case you give birth and people family members that bring food for you, mama wait, are not ready or they have not brought the food, you'll be able to use the snacks to hold yourself. So snacks, and maybe your net, your charger, your what are the things, a lot of things, your charger, your cord, a lot of things you'll be needing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you were able to catch one or two things. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.